Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching me and the time you are watching me right now. If you're following me from the first episode, you know my name already. My name is Ash. In our last episode, we talked about what trading is. Now that you have known what trading is, the next big question now is, how do you actually trade? Because not every traders trades the same way. Today, I will break down the main trading styles so you can figure out the one that fits your lifestyle and personality. Now, before we jump into the trading styles, let me tell you this, that if you have not actually followed this account, then you are missing out, because we have a long way to go. Please kindly hit the follow button, turn on the bell notification so that you'll be the first to know when I upload any video. Before any further ado, let us dive in. The first trading style we are going to be talking about is scalping. Now you will ask, what is scalping? Or maybe you are hearing the name scalping for the first time. Scalpers are traders that make a lot of very quick trades within minutes or even seconds. The goal is to capture small profits repeatedly. It requires speed, focus, and discipline. Think of it like being in and out of the market the whole day. Scalping can be very stressful but also exciting. If you like fast decision and constant actions, this could be your style of trading. Now going to number two, we have day trading. Who are day traders? Day traders are traders that hold trades for few hours but always close the trade before the end of the day, meaning they hold trade for some hours but they don't hold positions overnight, which reduces overnight news, and it's less hectic than scalping, but you must know that it still requires your time and focus at your screen. Now, day trading fits people who want to actively trade daily but they still don't want the speed of scalping. I'm very sure now understand what day trading is. Now going to the next one, which is swing traders. Who are swing traders? Who do swing trading? Swing traders hold trades for days or even weeks. They try to catch the swing or a bigger price movement in the market. This style allows you more flexibility because you don't have to stare at charts all day. Now, if you have a busy schedule and you still want to trade, swing trading is actually the best balance between time and potential profit. Finally, the next one is position trading, or what most people know as investing. It's the longest trade style, holding trade for months or even years. Position traders relies on fundamentals like company earnings, economic news, or crypto adoption. It's about patience and not constant action. This is for people who want to grow wealth over time without checking charts every hour. So those are the four main trading styles: scalping, day trading, swing trading, and position trading. If you want fast action, scalping and day trading might suit you. But if you prefer balance, then swing trading be the perfect option for you. And if you are patient and long-term focused, then position trading is your way. Now, which style do you think fits you best? Drop it in the comment section because I would love to know. And don't forget to follow me, because in my next video I will drop the different markets you can trade: crypto, forex, stocks, and commodity. Peace and love.